Okay, hi children. Now our discussing topic about the modern periodic table. Already we discussed about the S block elements which are called first year, which are belongs to first year and second year group elements. Okay, these two are called the S block elements. Now you come to discussing with about the P block elements. P block elements means from third A to 8th A group elements. Okay, these are called the P block elements. Third A group to 8th A group. Why those are called P block elements? That differentiating electron will enter into P orbital or P subshell. That's why those are called the P block elements. Okay, already we discussed that. Now you come to third A group elements. Third A group elements. Okay, what are the third A group elements, madam? I will write here bag it. Simple form is bag it. You keep it in your mind. Okay. This is that. B means boron. Boron symbol is B. Only symbol only I am writing. Otherwise it appears very clumsy. That's why. And A means aluminium. And G means gallium. I means indium. And thallium. Okay, these are the elements in third A group elements. But how can you remember atomic numbers, madam? I already told you simple form to remembering the atomic numbers of first year, second year group only. After that we have to take another one. That is, you have to add 8. Okay, 8 to this one. See, I am writing here. If you added 8, that means helium. 8 to first this one, you will get 10. Then after you have to add 8 to again 8, and then after 18. Okay, already 18 and 18. That means if you add boron atomic number is 5. You add 8, you will get 13 is the aluminium atomic number. I am writing here, see. Okay, atomic number and symbol and name. Okay, what are first write here? Boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium are the elements in third. Boron, aluminium, gallium, indium and thallium. Okay, now you come to atomic numbers. Here boron atomic number is 5. If you added 8 to this one, you will get 13 is the atomic number of aluminium. Okay, after that you have to add 18. Then how much you will get? 31 is the somebody here confusing 8 only again adding here. That is wrong. Okay, you have to add 18. Okay, 18 because already 10 elements are there in 10 B group elements. B group elements. That's why you have to add. See, don't take as like 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32. Don't take for P block element. For P block elements you have to add 8, 18, 18. 32. Keep it in your mind. Don't confuse many numbers confusing here, Amma. Don't confuse for the getting P block element, P block atomic numbers. We have to add 8, 18, 18, 32, 32. For A block element, S block elements 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32 have to take. You see, don't confuse here. 1 8 only have to add. 2 18s before like only. That's why when you are adding 8 to boron atomic number, you will get 13 is the atomic number of aluminium. If you added 18 to this one, 31 is the gallium atomic number. Then after 18 only have to add, we will get the 49 is the indium atomic number. Then after we have to add 32. Then we will get the 81 is the atomic number of thallium. Okay, do you understand? How will you get? Okay, 8, 18, 18, 32. Again you have to 32. Now didn't find it, that elements. Okay, there, this is Then no need to remember that. Easily you can write the atomic numbers of next one. These are the third A group elements. Another name is, that is boron family. Boron family is the other name of this. Okay, do you understand? Third A group elements and third group elements also. This is only called third group elements. See, three names are there. Third group elements, third A group elements and boron family. Three names are there for this one. And next one is carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead. Tin, lead. Next one, Amma. Fourth A group elements. Okay, I am writing on the board. Can I rub it? Okay, fourth A group elements. Fourth A group elements. Next group, this one. Okay, here name I am writing C. Okay, carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead. Okay, you lead and flerovium. Flerovium. Flerovium is the new element, is found in 14th group element. There are 4th A group element. Flerovium C. This is. Okay. Do you understand? Carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead, flerovium. These are the elements in 4th A group element. This is called carbon family. Carbon family. Keep it in your mind. Okay, another names is there. 4th A group elements, 4th group elements. Okay, carbon family. Okay, carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead, fluoronium. Okay, here atomic number of carbon is, we know that 6. We are adding 8, we will get 14 is the atomic number of silicon. Then when you are adding 18 to this 18 to this number, we will get 20, 32 is the atomic number of germanium. And then we have to add 18 to this one, we will get the, how much? 50 is the lead atomic, tin atomic, tin. This is tin. Okay, I am writing carbon, silicon, germanium. Okay, tin. Don't confuse here because stannum. Stannum is the Latin name of the tin. And lead. Lead. Plumbum is the Latin name of the lead. This is flerovium. Okay, flerovium is the Fl, new element, that one. This is now how much you writing here? 18 you are adding to Germany, you will get 50 is the tin atomic number. Then after, see, 1 8 only have to add, 18. Then after 18, 32 we have to add. Then we will get 82 is the atomic number of lead. And again you have to add 32. Then we will get 114. 114 is the atomic number of fluorovium. Okay, do you understand? This is about the 4th A group elements. Okay, which is called 4th group elements and carbon family. Okay, do you understand? Next you come to next group elements. Next group element, 14th group, sorry, 14th group elements. 14th group, that is 13th group. Then after now, now you come to 5th A group elements. 5th A group elements are 15 group elements. Okay, for 5th A or 15 group elements are nitrogen family. Nitrogen is the first group now. That's why nitrogen family. Okay, here nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth andi. Antimony, bismuth. Okay, and these are the names of this one. Okay, atomic numbers we will write after. What is the symbol of nitrogen? Name is nitrogen. And phosphorus, phosphorus is the name of this. Okay, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic. Arsenic is the name of this. And antimony, antimony, SBM. Antimony. Okay, next bismuth. Bismuth. Okay, these are the elements in 5th A group elements. This is called nitrogen family. Nitrogen family. Okay, atomic numbers. Nitrogen is 7. We know that. If you added 8 to this, you will get this one 15. Okay, is the phosphorus atomic number is 15, and then after we have to add 18. 8, 18, 18, 32, 32 have to add. Don't confuse here for the S block and P block. And 18 we will get 33 is the atomic number of arsenic, and again we have to add 18. We will get 51 is the antimony atomic number. Then after we have to add 32, we will get 83 is the atomic number of bismuth. Bismuth. Okay, do you understand about this one? Okay, 7, 15, 33, 51 and 83 are the atomic numbers of the nitrogen family. Okay, next one is the oxygen family. Oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. Very simple. Rhythm is there, amma. Oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. See how is like very simply we can remember those. Okay, now you come to next group elements are 6th A group elements are 16 group elements which are called oxygen family, because first element in this family is oxygen. That's why it is called oxygen family. And chalcogens. Okay, another name is there for this one is chalcogens. Chalcogen family. Okay, this. Now you come to here first write the names of this one: oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. Okay, oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium. Okay, these are the names of elements in 6th A group elements. Now atomic numbers, write oxygen 8. We know that if you added 8 to this one, you will get 16 is the atomic number of sulfur. Then after you have to add 18. I already told 8, 18, 18, 32, 32 you have to add. That's why 18 if you added 34 is the atomic number of selenium, and again you have to add 18 to this, will get 52. 52 is the atomic number of tellurium, and then we have to add 32. 84 is the atomic number of polonium. Okay, do you understand? 8, 16, 34, 52, 84 are the atomic numbers of the chalcogen family. Okay, then after you come to 7th A group elements. 7th A group elements. 7th A group elements which are called halogens. Halogen family, because those are available. Halo means ocean, no? That's why these are called. These are all elements also available in ocean. Okay, that's why these are called halogens. Okay, this is 17th group and fluorine family. Fluorine family, Okay, these are again 4 names are there. See, halogen family, 7th A group elements, 17th group elements, fluorine family. Okay, what are those? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. See how is it rhythm. Okay, astatine and here 16th group I forgot. Livernoium is the another name is there. Livernoium is the new element found in 16th group. Livernoium. Okay, here I forgot that one. You see Livernoium. Now I remember that. Now you come to 17th group elements which are called halogens. Okay, I am writing here fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine are the elements in 7th A group elements. Okay, here writing see fluorine, Fl. Okay, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. Okay, these are the elements in halogen family. Here when you are writing atomic number, we can use our simple form. That is, if we added 8 to this one, we will get 17 is the atomic number of chlorine. Then after you have to add 18, 18, 32, 32 have to add. That's why when you are adding 18 to this one, bromine, 35 is the atomic number of bromine. And then after we have to add 32, that means 67 is the atomic number of iodine. And then after you have to add, no, 18 only have to add. 18, 118 only adding, no, 18 only have to add. Then we will get 36 is the iodine. Okay? This is also wrong. 18 here. 18 have to add, no, 5, 5, 3, 53. 53 is the atomic number of iodine, and astatine atomic number you have to add 85 is the atomic number of astatine. Okay, this like we will get the atomic numbers. Okay, no need to learning like this. Very simply we can learn. Okay, that but don't confuse here, Amma. When you are writing P block elements, you should add 8, 18, 18, 32, 32 that. Okay, well, yeah, not like a 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32. S block only you are using. For P block using this one, this order. Okay, this is about the halogen family, which are called fluorine family. Okay, then after last one is the inert gases. Okay, that is 18th group. Okay, 18 group elements are 8th group, 8th A group, 8th A group elements, and noble gases, noble family or noble gases, and inert gases. See how many names, and 0 group elements, okay, these are the names of this one. Why? Because madam 0 group elements these are called because reactivity is 0. Reactivity, there is no reactivity to this 8th A group elements. That's why 0 group elements these are called. 18th group elements because in 8 in order we will get 18, and 8th A group elements this is in A group last 8th A group, and noble gases these are called because that reactivity is less to this one. You are taking as a noble gases this one, and inert gases means there is no reactivity to this one. That's why it is called the inert gases. That is the inertia is more high to this one. Okay, that's why these are called inert gases. Okay, what are these, madam? Okay, I am writing here atomic number and symbol and name. Okay, already you know that helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon are the names, no? symbols: helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Okay, these are the symbols of this one: helium, neon, argon, krypton, and xenon and radon. These are the names. What is the 2 is the atomic number of helium. Then after 10 is the atomic number of neon. Then you have to add 8 to this one. 18 is the atomic number of argon. Again you have to add 18. 36 is the atomic number of krypton. Then after we have to add 18. 54 is the atomic number of xenon. And then after 32 you have to add 86 is the atomic number of radon. This is about the 8th A group elements. Do you understand about the P block elements? How can you remember this? Okay. Thank you. Okay.